It's a new era for technology, one that requires a new type of partner, a partner with depth, with knowledge, with perspective. Our global workforce of more than 14,000 unique perspectives offers the expertise necessary to deliver an unrivaled portfolio of end-to-end solutions and services, moving businesses forward and ushering in a new era of technology. At Tech Data, this is our mission. Guiding our partners by illuminating opportunities in the IT channel. We're creative and strategic. We have deep expertise and specialized intelligence. We're proactive and bold, steady yet agile. Delivering the most comprehensive portfolio of endpoint, specialized, and advanced solutions in the industry. We're solving for the simple and the complex. Each of us understands the profound impact technology has on the way we live, connect, grow, and advance. And together, we enable you to navigate the ever-changing landscape, achieving more, and connecting the world with the power of technology.